How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now, you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 7. We're continuing our 25 things to do in retirement. We started off looking to the future. Now we're kind of looking back in the past. The last video was all about your mistakes. Now I want you to take some time and celebrate your accomplishments. Now, a lot of times when a person retires, there is some kind of celebrating that you do. So you already may have done that. But if you haven't had a chance, or if you feel like you didn't do a good enough job in terms of retirement, maybe you were forced to retire, or maybe it was during a pandemic where you couldn't have a big party, all those kinds of things. I want you to take some time and celebrate your accomplishments. What are you most proud of? What are some things that you did very well? What are some ways that you wish you could carry that momentum and those accomplishments into the future? What are some things that you can just say, I'm so proud of myself for doing that? This is the time to really be thinking about that. Just like when you had your mistakes and you forgave yourself, think of the things you did well and celebrate those. Now, you don't have to have a big party, but do something to kind of recognize those things. Put those out into the universe as it were, so that you can know those are some of the things that you are most proud of. Celebrate your accomplishments when you retire. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire, or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.